Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the Norman Manley International Airport. Now this is the airport in Kingston, and we're going to talk about the aviation sector in Jamaica. Now the government is committed to developing the aviation sector in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article giving you an update as to what's going on. Now, one of Jamaica's major industries is tourism. And the majority of the tourists come in through the airports. So it's very important that Jamaica has a good aviation sector. And they also have to look to the future to see what's coming, because a lot of tourists are coming to Jamaica and even more are going to come in the future. And so they have to keep expanding these airports to meet the demand. Now on the North Coast, about 20,000 new hotel rooms are going to come on stream over the next few years. And those tourists, or the people to go and stay in those rooms, are going to be coming through the airport. So currently Jamaica has about 30,000 hotel rooms. And 85% of all the tourists that come into Jamaica come in through the Sangster International Airport. So when we go from 30,000 to 50,000 hotel rooms, and the hotels are being built, Rio is going to open next year. Princess Resort is going to open next year. Secrets is building more hotels. Sandals is always expanding. Marriott just opened a new hotel in Montego Bay. The hotels are under construction. As a matter of fact, when we reach 50,000 hotel rooms, I don't see it stopping. We're going to keep going until we probably have more hotel rooms than the Dominican Republic. It's just a matter of time. The hotels are being built. The government is expanding the infrastructure on the roads. And it's very important that the airports are also expanded, because right now, every week, a new flight, an inaugural flight, goes into Montego Bay. So we're going to go through an article giving an update on what the government plans to do. We'll read the airports. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz, has pledged the government's continued support to developing the aviation sector. Speaking at a MBJ Airport Limited Forum held at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, Mr. Vaz said Jamaica's airports play a pivotal role in connecting people, facilitating trade, and driving economic growth. This second airport forum, put on by MBJ Airports Limited, will provide a valuable opportunity to collectively address key issues, share insights, and foster collaboration to enhance the efficiency, safety, and sustainability of our aviation infrastructure in our country, Mr. Vaz said. I commend the organizers for their dedication to promoting dialogue and knowledge exchange within the aviation community, as we see progress being made at the airports for a better future in Jamaica. Your commitment to advancing the sector aligns seamlessly with the government's shared goal of creating a robust and future-ready aviation ecosystem, he added. Mr. Vaz noted that in the face of an ever-evolving global landscape, it is imperative that stakeholders make time to come together to foster innovation, share best practices, and chart a course towards a sustainable and resilient aviation future. The minister noted that the nation's airports must not only meet current demands, but also anticipate the needs of future generations. The demands on our airports are ever growing, driven by the increasing global mobility of people and goods. It is our responsibility to adapt, innovate, and invest in the infrastructure that will define the future of air travel, Mr. Vaz stated. This is exactly what I have seen happening at Sangster International Airport by MBJ Limited. Recently, the airport had some hiccups, which I know have been remedied to ensure travel ease for both tourists and returning Jamaicans alike, he added. In the meantime, Mr. Vaz said major works have been undertaken at the Sangster International Airport to attract more international flights. The airport recently welcomed 3 new flights: United Airlines from Denver, Colorado, Norse Airlines from London Gatwick, United Kingdom, and Canada Jetlines from Toronto, Canada. He further stated that the renovations being undertaken by MBJ will make the gateway more viable and attractive for all passengers, stakeholders, and investors. I urge you to ensure that one of the primary objectives during your discussion is that the airport is not just efficient, but also sustainable. Strive for a balance between progress and environmental stewardship as the region and the world are looking on, he added. Alright, so that is the end of the update. So the government clearly is on top of things. They see what's going on and how important these airports are. And there is even plans to make the Negril Aerodrome into the Negril International Airport. And Ian Fleming International Airport, well, it was a good idea, but I think that airport, it needs some more work. It needs a longer runway so that you can land the bigger planes. So basically, right now, we only have 2 international airports. The Sangster International Airport, which is expanding daily, weekly, and the Norman Man International Airport, which is this airport that we have. So, yes, they're committed to the aviation sector, which is good, and they're doing a lot of work at the Sangster International Airport. But going forward, we're going to need another international airport. And it's going to have to be an airport on the same level as the Sangster International Airport or the Norman Man International Airport. To build another airport with a short runway that can't land the big planes wouldn't really make sense. Alright guys, so we'll keep you updated on all that's going on. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.